Hello, this is Bangali talking. Gian is not here right now. He's in Las Piñas, you know. And what else I can say? I can sleep right now because, you know, I don't have milkshake. Anyway, I want to say hi to my bro. Ada Agobeng dito. Ada Kobeng. Ada Lebronson. Ada Shantol. Ada Noy Noy Babies. Jordan and Aiden. Ada Achi. Ada everyone in there. Okay? I miss you all in there. You know, I miss you so much. Anyway, may you have a happy, I don't know. What else I can say? That's all. Thank you for everything. Hada Bangali happy, and that's all. Hada shukran. Hada I love you all. I miss you all. Hada shukran. Okay? Bye-bye.